Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you beautiful and modern bathroom sink design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. So in this video we will see best and beautiful bathroom sink design ideas. A bathroom sink can be a focal point of any bathroom, so it's often one of the first things you can see when you walk in. The sink is also sometimes some of the only counter space within a bathroom, so it can be a good place to put decoration or incorporate decorative aspect into your bathroom. There are so many different bathroom sink idea that you can help bring color and decoration into your bathroom. There are a lot of different possibilities for way that you can decorate your bathroom sink. Picking a unique option for the sink itself is an interesting way to add something different to your bathroom, while keeping the space relatively clutter free if that's a look you prefer. Some interesting bathroom sink idea including finding an interesting mirror feature, wall backflash, or countertops to add interesting elements to the actual architecture of the bathroom itself. Choosing a style that fits with your bathroom is an important process that can also be a lot of fun, and there are many styles to choose from modern to rustic to everything in between. Bathroom sink materials and styles span a wide range from simple porcelain to luxurious glass. Choosing the right bathroom sink design for your home is an essential part of any remodeling or updating project, and you will want to consider as many as available options as possible. There are several basic bathroom sinks materials and styles that are popular with homeowners and available in a range of cost from budget to luxury. One of the best and most common and economical bathroom sink style is the drop-in sink. This style fits into a hole in a vanity cabinet or sink stand, and it can be easily installed or removed. A common material for a drop-in sink is affordable porcelain, but these sinks are available in a wide range of materials from plastic to metal to glass. Another fairly inexpensive and common space-saving sink option is a pedestal sink. These classic features stand upright on a pedestal, and they are often made of porcelain. For a mid-range budget, an undermount sink is a great option. These fixtures sit seamlessly in a vanity countertop, making them both stylish and easy to maintain. These sinks are available in a wide range of materials. Opting for a more expensive metal undermount sink can be create great visual interest and add to durability. Vessel sinks are a stylish, high-end and expensive option. These floating sinks sit like a bowl on the top of vanity countertop and are available in all manners of materials from glass to porcelain to metal. Bathroom porcelain sinks have been an iconic fixture in homes throughout the years, and there are a good reason for that. They are incredibly durable, convenient, and affordable, and they are available in a wide range of style and colors. The days when a square white porcelain bathroom sink was your only option are long gone. You can now choose from a wide range of styling including drop-in, undermount and vessel, all with their own advantages and disadvantages. For example, drop-in porcelain bathroom sinks are universal and widely available, but they can be difficult to clean. Vessel sink design offer a striking visual design, but they can be expensive, and undermount porcelain bathroom sinks are easy to clean, but they can be difficult to replace if anything goes wrong with the sink. Whereas in the past, bathroom porcelain sinks were almost exclusively available in a stark white. Now they can in a range of colors. White and creams are still prevalent, but brown, gray and black are also options. In addition to the available range of style and colors, porcelain bathroom sinks can offer a budget option for sink shoppers. Because they are so widely available, costs are generally low to mid range for these bathroom sinks. Double bathroom sinks create greater efficiency in a shared bathroom, and they can also improve homes' resale value significantly. In terms of style, for your double bathroom sink, the options are just about timeless. You could go for a slim and trim tabletop vanity with the double sinks dropped in. As an alternative, if you have the space, consider a granite countertop slab with a double sinks built into the overall design. Standalone or conjoined, sleek or expensive double bathroom sinks are sure to offer a stylish and convenience upgrade for any bathroom space. Bathrooms are often tight spaces, so if you are looking to maximize the efficiency of your bathroom space, you will want to explore the range of corner bathroom sinks available. Corner bathroom sinks come in a wide variety of styles, color and materials. Because they are often minimalist in a design, they can at times be less expensive than a larger models. Additionally, it may be possible to place a standard size sink comfortably and snugly in the corner of the bathroom without having to customize the sink design. Pedestal sinks work particularly well for this, but drop in sinks that sit in a corner shaped console can also be work well. Glass bathroom sinks are a stylish and contemporary option for your bathroom space. They also offer the efficiency of the easy cleaning. You can use simple glass cleaner to wipe them clean. Glass bathroom sinks come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and materials. One of the most popular glass bathroom sink design is the vessel sink. These bowl-shaped or rectangular sink sit atop a sink, a console or countertop, and they are generally detached from a wall-mounted or otherwise separated faucet fixture. Their striking standalone design is often employed in modern or contemporary bathroom designs. Glass bathroom sinks are generally in the mid-range in a term of pricing, depending on their size and the quality and strength of the glass. If you are considering a glass bathroom sink, pay particular attention to the quality and durability of the glass. If you are looking to add some contemporary style to your bath space, you may want to consider bathroom stainless steel sink. These sleek, durable sinks come in a variety of style and price ranges, and they can add a great visual interest to just about any bathroom design. Stainless steel bathroom sinks come in several styles, from cutting edges modern approaches to more traditional offerings. If you are looking for a more striking modern style, consider a stainless steel vessel sink, which can sit on a top of vanity or console table. This is a popular style that works perfectly in a modern or contemporary bathrooms, but you can also complement a more traditional style. There are so many different type of bathroom sinks designs that you can choose from. I hope this video will help you to choose the best bathroom sink design idea for your bathroom. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.